Hi everyone, and welcome back. Once you've decided where and when you want to vote, let's talk about what you should expect when you go to vote. The first thing you need to know is there's a couple things that you absolutely have to bring. The first is your mask. Remember, there's still coronavirus, and so the poll workers will make sure that you're wearing a mask before you come into the building. So don't forget your mask. The other thing that you need to have is a photo ID, some type of identification that has your photo on it. That could be a driver's license or a passport. If you're unsure of what ID you can bring based on what you have, you can ask us and we can help you with that. Also, if you have a voter ID card, that's the one that looks like this. Even though many places don't require a voter ID card, if you have one, you can bring it just to be sure. So when you arrive at your voting place, you will likely see a lot of signs out in front of the building, some that have people's names on them, other signs that say vote here or enter here. This means that you're in the right place. So when you come up to the building, you will likely see a lot of arrows, some directions telling you where you need to go in order to cast your vote. When you make it to the right room, to the right place, there will likely be poll workers at a table or at a desk, and they will be asking for your identification, and they will likely have you sign a document with your signature on it. Now, depending on when you go, there might be a line of people who are waiting. So if there is a line, make sure you're still socially distant, that you're not close to each other, and the poll workers will then tell you to come forward and they will take your information. Once they've done that, then the poll worker will take you to where you cast your ballot. Now, you will probably be using an electronic voting machine that looks like the computer here, and the poll worker will tell you how to use the electronic voting machine and exactly what to do, because it might be a little bit different place to place. So make sure you're listening very well to what they're saying. Okay, I hope that was helpful and some good information for you to keep in mind when you go vote. Remember, voting is a very important thing here in the United States, and so we hope that you all participate and you all go cast your vote. Thank you.